Hello, my name is Ben Lovegrove and I make videos about aviation, both piloted aircraft and remotely piloted aerial vehicles. My goal is to inspire others to learn to fly, whether they do so for pleasure and recreation or to become instructors, or with the eventual goal of starting a career as a commercial pilot. I also want to inspire others to take up flying drones. This is a rapidly growing industry that needs a constant supply of competent and confident pilots who can fly rotary and fixed-wing aircraft remotely and safely. As the development of aviation and aerospace technology, materials and software continues apace, the world needs a continuous stream of new pilots entering the industry. I have already made many videos on these subjects, and some have attracted tens of thousands of views. If my videos can help others to find the inspiration to learn to fly, then it is time well spent in creating them. It was a ride in a Bell 47D helicopter that sowed the seeds of my aviation ambitions, but it was to be many years later that I eventually gained a private pilot's license. If I'd had a mentor in my teens who nurtured that interest, I would probably have learned to fly much sooner. Who knows what career path I would have chosen instead? Let's work together to give the gift of wings to the next generation. Thank you for watching. Please click the Become a Patron button to register.